Okay.
You come to this portion, go to sketch, start your sketch, right here. This is your sketch. No?
Okay.
You can take dimension of anyone. Suppose I
Okay.
take the 30 mm. Okay.
Okay.
This is my 30, and then what again you do here to make as a circle inside it.
Okay.
And then I mark as a dimension is what?
Okay.
50 is sufficient.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
16. Any one thing you can do here. Suppose I use is 16.
Okay.
Okay. Click on OK. Go to exist and come to the extrude boss pass.
Okay.
Okay. This one is created right here. Select here is the midplane. What you select here? Select here is your midplane. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Because you have the inside the plane right here. To this why you can select here the midplane. After
Okay.
that, this portion is created. Okay. I just show the mirror only and then not the threading part. To come to this
Okay.
portion, I just used to be make here. Suppose I want to select this, not this one. I select the this plane.
Okay. The
Uh,
top
then I just select here to this
right
one,
place. Yeah.
this one. Go to the sketch,
Okay.
sketch to normal,
Okay.
and then what you do, you have to be make here
Rectangle.
as a rectangle by
Yes.
this one and close it
Okay.
and mark as a dimension between them. Angle is 30-degree, right?
Yeah.
That's clear.
Yes.
Close it. This one is created right here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then what you do? Go to the feature plan and
The
then use to be wall cut.
work. Yeah.
Okay. And not a evolve cut, I just use this sweep cut.
Okay.
Evolve cut is doing okay, sorry. One thing I also need is axis of revolution.
Yeah.
Okay. This one is not make here. Then I make it's this one.
Okay.
Select to normal. Or mark as a central line. Like my
Okay.
line is centrally. Axis of revolution is important.
Okay.
Existed. Come to the feature again. Go to the evolve cut.
Okay.
And then select contour. This
Okay.
one is my contour.
Okay. Actually, little more.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
small. Need to move little more.
360-degree. Direction 2 is not one. Thin pitch I don't need to thin pitch and contour. Why contour is not selected right there? I just click on it part. Okay, okay. Sketch number 3 is selected right there. I think something is
Because
not
it is only shows looks
again.
like
I just do it again.
mm,
Okay. Uh,
little center, right? It is not center. Not the center. The angle is tip. That is
okay, this does not look like as better, right?
yeah.
Okay, so just what I do, I delete this one. Uh, it's the sketch and delete this one. Okay, and I just select this front plane, go to sketch, sketch it to normal, and make as an angle.
Okay.
This Again. Okay, again, the wall cut. One second. Let's just do one thing. This is work on only the Philip. Okay, what should I do? One thing I do, I just delete this again
Okay.
because this is not a perfectly matched here. So what should I do? Select this again. Okay, so I just get this part right here. Animation. I think this will be done. This of rotation gives like इसे क्या हो गया एक चीज सिलेक्ट होती है एक चीज सिलेक्ट क्यों नहीं होती क्या प्रॉब्लम है
Maybe you need to do in the right plane.
I think this is not same thing I use a front plane
Yeah.
okay
If you do in the right plane, then should be fine, I think.
Mm,
Because right plane is on the corner, right? That looks.
okay right there I just do it because I had to delete it and then select this plane okay just do it this plane
Right.
and after that I do it right okay
Okay.
okay next one I exist my sketch go to feature what I do evolve cut select evolution of this one split select this line okay that's good okay here
Right.
you can create this one and then
Yeah.
same thing you want to do as this portion then remember that you can always select this in the mid plane this portion this plane is shown as the mid plane because on the axis of a plane you can use here as a plane right
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
what you do just select the plane if you
Plane.
select the plane then you get this
Yes.
but remember that this is on mid If your alignment is different, then this will be not making as to better way. Right?
Okay.
This is
Right.
important to make as a plane is on the mid.
Okay.
Okay, then you can create this type of options.
Yes. Right.
Right?
Right. I did reference plane and I put half
You can also took as a reference plane, but make as in between. Okay,
between,
where
right?
you
Yeah.
put here, this is an position of the mid in this section. In this case, I use a mid plane. This is better for us. Okay, that's why we say select as for the extrude curve, extrude formation. We can use here as a mid plane. Okay,
Right.
right.
Okay.
This
And
is.
I and
Mhm.
another question. Sorry. I tried to do the coloring.
Okay.
I did editing, but editing I didn't get that much.
I just show you how to do that. Suppose you want to color at this direction, suppose here, this plane. So what you do, go to this appearance. Here we have the option of appearance. Okay.
Okay.
Here we have the option of appearance, and then inside the appearance, we have the appearance color. Click on
Okay.
color, and then you find out two things, color and texture. You can also mention as a texture. First,
Okay.
I prefer as a color. Just click
Okay.
on it, and then where you want to face it. Just
Okay.
click, and then they ask which one you want to boss, you want to body, all body, you want chair, you want to face, where you want
Okay.
right here to select your
Okay.
face. If you select the face, then what will be happen, you go to there, and then this color will be shown here. If you double
Okay.
click on it, if you double
Oh,
click on it, your color option will be appear, and then you can apply your color.
oh, got it. I did that option, but I don't know the body or face on that
You
timeline.
select all body also, and then you select also a
Get color.
anything.
Okay.
Okay? Color. To face, you need to be apply on the face, you apply the body, on the extrude pass, anything you can use it by using this one. Okay, don't worry about it. That's clear?
Okay. Yes, clear.
Right.
Thank
Okay, then come to the other tools options right here. I just delete this, I don't need here. I just select each and every cases.
you. Okay.
Sketch also. And is this also. And this is sketch also. Okay, then come to the next portion is my. I select any plane idea, suppose front plane, and go to sketch. Make as this part. Mark as a dimension. Okay. And dimension I take here is my 20 by 20. Exist my sketch. Go to feature, it should boss space.
Okay.
To take as in form of middle also, anything you can use here. I don't, you can use else way. And then
Okay.
this portion I increase this 20 suppose 100 mm. Okay.
Okay.
This portion I created right there. And then what I want to do here, again, create as long as possible.
Okay.
So, because it's in the long formation, this will be shown as better. Okay. Go to the insert. I just talk about the others one tools in the features option. We
Okay.
have to for show about the form of flex.
Okay.
What's the flex tool? If you click on the flex, okay. If you click on the flex, then here we have the options are there. Bodies to be flex. Which bodies you want to flex is. I just select this bodies right here, and then what's the angle between them? So first of all is this bending, twisting, tapping, stretching. These are the
Okay.
option of this part. I want to just show you the bending option. If you bending option uses 15 degree, then what you see here, my both the sides are bent at the on the form of 50 degree, and this is on behalf of center. See that? If I
Okay.
increase this degree 30, Then once you see here, bending are done. Okay.
Okay.
This is a bend. And if I increase a 90°, then this one is bend at this moment, this point. Okay. This
Okay.
is my bending. Okay. This is one is my banded. Right there.
Okay.
You see that? If I use this 180, then what you see here, you can bend like this.
Okay.
Okay. Normal object you can bend at that formation. And then your road, anything you can use it. Say you want to bend it and the direction of whatever you want. Suppose I take 270, then this will be bend like that.
Okay.
Okay. This is called a bending. Okay. In
Okay.
this case, we have other ones. I just write a 180. And then one thing also, I just use a trim plan also. Trim plan, we have two plans, 1 and 2. And then if
Okay.
I write here the 20 mm is trim, and then here also in the trim plan 2, I write here the 20 mm. Then once you see here, this portion to this portion are bent. After that, this portion are stationary. Right here. See that?
Yes.
Okay. If you click on OK, then what's your object look like? This simple rod you can convert in this formation.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Just again come to this portion. They go to the edit mode. This is called my bending. Basically,
Okay.
what this bending is
Yes. Clear.
okay. Next one we talk about the after the bending we talk about the twisting. Beside of the bending, we use as a twisting right here. Click on
Yeah.
twisting, then what you see here, this is your twisting. Your
Yeah.
object will be twisted right there. On behalf
Yeah.
of 180°, how many degrees are there? And then also this is my parts where you have to stretch it, trim the plan. You have to, I just select this plan and trim it. This portion to this portion only twisting will be done. If you can see that's the twisting portion in this example, this will be example we will show here. Right?
Okay. Right.
Was how angle you can use it trace for this we can twist it as in suppose here I do as well. Suppose I angle I increase to 360, then twisting will be 360. You can write at a 560, you can angle will be 560, 1400 angle, then your angle will be twist like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
This is tracking time much. I like too much. Oh. This is take what take, okay? And then you make this work or this type of object like that. Okay, by
Okay.
using the twisting one. Right there?
Yes. Right.
Okay, come to the next portion. I use this the flex. I just added it because I don't need anyone. For the twisting, I use this as a tapping. If you click on tapping, and then remember that this is my actual object, and if you write here the 1°, not much degree you can write here, then what will be happen? This portion to this portion, my object is tapered. Okay.
Okay.
This is called the trapping. If you write points, you can write minor parts, not a major. If you write 5 mm, then this will be look like SS. Okay, so
Oh.
don't do SS that much. Okay,
Yeah.
1 mm, one diameter, and then this is your way.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So you can sew here by using this way. Okay, this is called my trapping part. Okay, this is
Okay.
20 mm, 20 mm here too. This is stationary. After that, you can see this here is my trapping.
Trim plane 1, trim plane 2. So we
Mhm.
can twist that there, right? Oh.
Yeah, you can twist it and then make this type of object by using a tapper. Anything you can make here by using this formation.
Okay.
If I use to stretch, here we have the option of stretch. If you click on the stretch, you can also stretch your object. Okay, means that you can increase this size.
Okay.
Suppose you increase in size is 10 mm only, so then this is 10 mm. If you increase the size is 20 mm, then you can increase the size is 20 mm. This is actually
Okay.
object you stretch this and then make larger than. Okay, this is stretching. Stretching is not too much using like that. Bending, twisting, and tapping is much usable thing. That's clear.
Yes.
How to use this? Hmm. Yeah, good. Then come to the next portion is here. cut it. I don't need this to be made here. Come to the next one is my in the feature options. We have other ones option is my. I also talk about intersect. Okay. Next one
Okay.
is your move and copy. What's the move and copy is to?
Cut and place. Move.
Yeah, cut and place. If you click on the move and copy option, there we have the move it and then copy it. If you want to move the objects one portion to other portion, just what
Okay.
you do, click
Select.
on it
Okay.
and then which direction you want to move it. Okay,
X.
just
Okay.
click on the mouse button and move it the any
Okay.
direction right there, and then click on OK. Then your punch is moved, right?
Oh.
And then if you want to do as a copy, just click on this copy option, and then
Okay.
you can click it, and then just move with your mouse cursor,
Okay.
and then you can also add the XY position of the spot and click on OK. So that's why you see here. This is my copy path also. You can make also as a copy. Move and
Okay.
copy is for the move your 3D objects and then copy your 3D objects right here.
Okay.
That's clear?
Yes, please.
The simple way tools you can use here. Come to the next one is you.
Intercept.
Next one is your combine. What's the combine is to? If you click on the combine option, we have something add, subtract, and comma. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose how can we do this combine option for this class? We just show you. Suppose here, I just delete this one. I don't need it.
Okay.
And also delete this one. Delete it. And delete it. Okay. Now, come to the any plane. Suppose I come select my top plane, exist, and go to here and make as this portion. Mark as it is. Let's suppose this 36. Okay, click on OK. And then what should I do? I just go to the extrude
Okay.
boss space and I extrude it.
Okay.
And then I just I think it's 20 mm is perfect. I think it's 15 mm I do it. Not this one. Let us do it. Okay. And then delete this one. Okay. This
Okay.
part I created right here. If you need it, this portions, you can do it. And then what should I do? I do is save it this file. Okay. So I save it.
Okay.
And name is anything. You can part 1, part 2, and then anything you can write here by using this way. Okay. Suppose I click on it and then save as name as a part 1.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can name as anything. After this, I start with new one. I close this file by using close,
Okay.
and then open my new file. I create my new file. This one I created right here.
Okay.
Select top plane again. Go to sketch. Select the circle. Make this one. And what should I do? Mark as dimensions is 24.
Okay.
And exit your sketch, go to feature, extrude boss space, select this one, and increase the size. Suppose, yeah. Okay, it is sufficient. Okay. You can also make as much file right here. Click on OK. Then right here is a chamfer. I select my chamfer,
Okay.
and then angle is 1. This
Okay.
is my chamfer section. Okay. The chamfer I make here. Then
Okay.
what I do, I want to apply here is go to insert, go to feature, and apply as a thread.
Okay.
Okay. Head location is this.
Okay.
And your plane I select to this one. And angle you can select here, and then here M24 2.0. Okay, this will be select this code. And then I just increase it.
Right. Okay.
Okay. 6 is better, I think. Okay.
Mm.
Select any one thread. You can all know about the thread is this. Go to OK. This one is thread created. Right
Okay.
there, what I want to do here, I want to do one thing. I want to connect with this, combine this object to other one objects right here. And I
Okay.
make one thing also. I just show its whole portion. Then how can
Okay.
we do that? For this parts, we use say that how can we do that? To insert, first of all, we use insert feature, go to the feature, not a feature here. Suppose in this case, I want to combine something right here. We need to be other objects also. Okay, I
Okay.
want to use as a combine, but combine is doesn't work if you don't have any two objects right here. Then what's
Okay.
your second object I want to do by using the other pass? Click on the part,
Okay.
and then here you can select your part, which part you want. I created a part one name, and this part is created right here. Okay,
Okay.
what shall I give? And then mention this. I just click this parts. Why parts is not showing?
Nominal maybe.
One second, I just why this will not show up here. I just click open.
Okay.
Parts क्यों नहीं दिख रहा? This is for making the DF. His part is different. Database parts. ये कैसे हो सकता है कि different unit है? Cancel करो. एक सेकंड. मुझे देखना पड़ेगा क्या शो आ रही है उस पार्ट में. Part one कहाँ गया? This one is part one man. Open it. Just check this out. What's really happening to this object?
Okay.
ये शो ही नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? ये शो ही नहीं हो रहा. अरे यार क्या करें? Okay, then what I do? I just delete this one again
Okay.
because this will be not a perfect frame.
Yeah.
Let this again. Select the top plane. Go to the sketch. Make as again this option.
Okay.
Dimension. Okay, 36 mm. I use it as a mm also. Then why this will be not showing like that? Also the actual boss space.
Okay.
Can do as well. 15 mm.
Okay.
Okay. Save it. Okay. Go to the other one. And then I just use here to part two. Come to this insert. Go to the part. Okay, this is done. Okay, what I need here. First of all, see that here, all the options are checked. Okay.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
also this option are checked, locate part with move and copy feature.
Okay.
Okay. This part
Okay.
also locate. If this part is not checked, then this will be making an issue. And then just click on it where you want to locate it. Okay.
Okay.
This will be created right here. Okay, see that?
Okay. Yes.
Just what you do. For next one is to create your constant. And
Okay.
then first of all, I met it. Met it means that I want to adjust it in this position between them. Then
Okay.
first of all, what you do, select this portion, this face,
Okay.
and this face.
Okay.
And then what you do, just add that.
Okay.
After that, I align with this direction, then select this face, this plane, and align with that, add. Okay, and then
Okay.
also for this planes, because I want to align this one, this plane and this plane, and then add them, right?
Okay.
First, this both are the different objects. Okay,
Right.
but both are the different objects. I just located this one. This I don't need it here. Both are the different object. If you go to the insert and then use a feature and then move and copy option, you can select this object in different way and this object in different way. But this is not object. Then what you do? First of all, you select the feature. And if you have two things, then here we have to open the combine option. Click on the combine option.
Okay.
And then if you want to add them, both them, select this one and select this them. And then add them. Okay. And then click on OK. Then right now, what will we got here? Here we got this objects right here. That's correct.
Okay. Yes.
This is object my created right here. Up
Okay.
second thing is what I do. I just copy one of that. If you want to copy, see this is easy to copy right here. Okay.
Okay.
I just one thing I do is here to do as copy.
Okay.
Move and copy. Go to
Okay.
there. Select this object. This is directly is copy here. And move and copy. I want to move and copy. So translation rotate, you can select the translation rotate. Click on
Okay.
move and copy.
Okay.
And just drag it, this portion, and then here I paste this.
Okay.
To write any distance right there. Suppose I write here is my schema, and then click on OK.
Okay.
This portion is created right here.
Yes.
Second thing I want to do here, one thing I do here, I just come to the again insert option, go to the feature, go to the not to feature you want to use as a part. This part I want here again, and how why you want? Just I'll show you how why we want here. First of all, I used to be do that one thing. Go to the this options, and then go to the translate. And first of all, I select here
Okay.
this face to this face,
Okay.
and also and next one I do this right plate to right,
Okay.
and this plane to this plane.
Okay.
Now after that, I want to do one thing: rotate and translate.
Okay.
1 second, 1 second. Correction again. Okay.
Okay.
And second one I do is here. Insert. Again, feature, go to there. And then move and copy.
Okay. Okay.
Select this one.
Okay.
And rotate and translate.
Okay.
And then I just put this.
No.
Okay. And then click on OK. Okay. Right here. What I want to do here. For this part, we do one thing. Go to insert option and then go to the feature. And then here I use here as a combine. If I click on the combine and here, right to be click on subtract. Okay. which one is your main body? I have a, this is one my main body, and which one you want to separate it, then this body is I want to separate it. And if you click OK, then what you find here?
Only the bolt.
Bolt is created and inner thread is created right there. And perfect way this inner thread is created on behalf of this bolt.
Okay.
Right? You can use like that and then make this object to these portions also. That's clear?
Yes. And the thread, yeah, how we create the thread, the same thread or just?
Yeah, same thread inside, but this is a thread cut and this is my actual thread.
Yes.
Okay, this is just a similar, but you can also make by on behalf of this thread to this thread right there by using the combine tool. I use making the thread inside this path. You can using the combine tool also.
Okay.
That's clear?
Yes, clear. Before the bolt is only the hole, right? There is no thread on the bolt, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Okay. Then come to the next portion is here. I just go to the insert, go to the feature. And suppose again you want to move it to this portion. And then I want to move in direction of this portion. Is I just write as a -60, so just write as -60
Okay.
and click on OK. Okay.
Okay.
Not move it. I just want to do other one. I just copy it. So what I do? Insert, feature, move and copy.
Okay.
Go to the copy option. Select this options.
Okay.
And I want to in the Z axis -60 and click on OK. And then I just click on this again. I used to insert, go
Okay.
to the feature,
Okay.
and then I want to do one thing also. I just move it this one also, not the copy. Go to this, select this one, and then I write here the 60 and click on OK. Okay. Okay, one thing I want to do here, I again insert new part, same part I use here, this one, and select this one right here. And then what I do, I just go to constraint. First of all,
Plain.
the same thing I do here to select this portion to this, add, then
Yes.
select this plane to this plane,
Right and right plane.
okay, and then select which plane to which plane again, this front plane to front plane,
Front plane. Yeah.
okay, make as a between, that's clear, okay.
Yes.
After that, what I do one thing. This one is created. Then I want to do go to insert option and feature and then move and copy.
Copy.
And then here translate and locate. Select this portion and then I move it to this anyway. Click on
Okay.
and then select what I select here. One thing I select to again to come is a combine option. Click on insert, go to features. Here we
Okay.
use the combine option. And
Okay.
then inside the combine, we use the add subject, but here you want to use as a common.
Okay.
What's the common to? If I select this one and this one, then again click on OK. Then what you find out here? Here we find out the common portion of between two tab.
Okay.
Okay. And in this two tab, we find out the common between these two parts. Right? That's why we
Yes.
got this. This is the option of the combine. You can use the combine or not. Right here. That's clear?
I didn't get the last one. We get the common thread, right? Or
Yeah, common part.
but
Because this is my solid where you can create a, this is my solid face right here. This is solid.
Okay.
I just show you. This is solid, right? And then
Yeah, right.
this portion is my common.
Okay.
And then in this case, what I do? I common portion I make as the thread. That's why thread part is cut. Right? This is a
Yes.
solid face and thread part is cut. The phase of the combine will be used to add them to object, subtract them to object, and then find out the common points of two objects, right? That's clear.
Yes.
Okay, by using this way, you can creating many of things we can you can't directly create this. That's clear to you.
Yes.
After this, one thing I also talk about is this person is my delete and keep bodies. Delete and keep bodies, what they do. If you click on these options, delete and keep bodies,
Okay.
I don't need to be use this one, delete this. I just delete this one.
Okay.
And then if you click on the delete bodies, then what will be happen? This bodies will be
Oh,
deleted.
deleted. Okay.
What they use. Remember the pause they use. I delete directly by using the select it and delete it. By using the delete button.
Yes.
Yes, this is useful. Why? Because you, if you want to again this keep this then you can edit it again and then you got it. If you delete directly, you can't get it, right?
Okay.
But
Right.
this is in your part of your drive. And then if you want to need, then what you do, just select your keyboards and click on OK. Your data will become, and then this your data will be shown. Okay. If you not need this, then you can want to delete this portion, and then your the all data will be got it. Okay.
Can you show
Your
me one
object.
more?
Okay, I just show you. Suppose here, if you want to do a feature, go to the
Okay.
move, delete, and keep bodies. If you select the keep only, then
Okay.
pass will be deleted, and this path will be
Body.
open.
Body. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
If you want to use as a delete option, then those paths you selected here, this one is deleted, other one is kept.
Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Okay. If you don't want, you want again this path, and then you save it file, and then again you want this one, you have these steps right here. You just delete these steps, and then you got this your object, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
But if you directly delete it, first of all, you make it and then make them again, and then you can use it. But in this
Okay.
case, we have this data, you can, where you want, then you can use it. Okay.
Okay.
That's clear to you?
Yes. I have a question.
Yeah.
If I don't know the thread, we can look what is the thread on the any options, sketch options or
Okay,
some.
you can select the thread under standard option. You can, if each and every time you have to see that's a thread option, where you have to
Right.
select the standard form. Okay,
Yeah.
you know
Right.
about the threading standards value. If
Right.
you need something, any materials, any mark, you can also remember about the thread, standard thread value. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Only
suppose
we can
in this
know. We
in this
cannot
case,
mark.
select the M24. M24 is denoted 24 your dia because
Right.
I checked, taken is the dia is 24. That's why this will be. And 2 is say 2 is saying is like the pitch angle. Pitch angle means that this one angle. Okay, and this point to this point. This point to this point is my pitch angle, pitch distance, right?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
this point to this point. To just select which pitch distance you want or pitch angle you want, and never always remember that you have if you extrude thread, you can same like that as cut thread option also, because this will be aligned on them. That's clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Size
But
is
we.
with the size of object. Size is the different in different objects. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Any other need further doubts?
Only we cannot we can know when we drawing times. We
Yeah.
select the M20, M10.
Yeah.
dep-
You know about if you was you select here the
After
option
we, yeah.
on behalf of the
After we
you can select your
on
type.
the yeah,
Mhm.
okay.
Okay, don't worry about each and every object, each and every have the standard formation. If
Okay.
you create the nut bolt type thing, many of the nut bolt type things have a standard. Learn about it. Okay, this is a theoretical part. This doesn't show in this case. You can theoretically you can say, learn about this. Okay, which standard value of the nut bolt threading are available. Okay, which size of the nut bolt we use in the indices. Okay,
Yes.
many of the size are come. Okay.
Okay.
Right? And then on behalf of this way, you can create your objects and
Okay.
drawings, right?
Okay. Right.
That's clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. This is your feature pass. Okay. Next one, next way we have to start my class when we talk about the surface part. Okay.
Okay.
After that, we use start the assembly one. Okay. Any
Okay.
doubts on this feature function part?
No, but